Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and let me go and zoom that in a little bit. And I'm going to take you through a plugin called the YourTube Player Plugin. And so let me go ahead and go, there we are. Alright, so basically what you want to do is you want to go down. Now I'm going to, before I mention this, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this plugin after you've installed it. I'm not going to worry about you installing it. I'm pretty sure you've already installed it. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk you through the plugin and exactly what it does. And so let me go ahead and move this over so you can see where the plugin is. The YourTube Player plugin is on the left-hand side of your WordPress dashboard. So when you go to YourTube Player, go ahead and click on YourTube Player. And that'll bring you up to this page, which is coming on right now. Go ahead. Just wait until it loads. Internet here is not so great. Alright, so we're here. Okay, this is what you're going to see on the YourTube Player. This is the settings. This is everything you're going to see right when you load the YourTube Player. Okay, you're going to see the YouTube URL right here. You're going to see some of the buttons. A lot of these, I'm going to talk to you about each one and how to set it where it's branded the way you want it to be branded. So let's go ahead and go to get a video. First of all, I'm going to use Jack LaLanne's video, his episode 1 show. Okay, when you go to YouTube, you want to search for a video. Search whichever video you want. Go ahead and pause the video, and then click on this. Now, this is what you're going to want to create. You can Control A, select it all, Control C, or you can right-click, select all first, and then right-click and copy. So once you've done that, then you can go back to your YourTube Player dashboard and go ahead and enter it right in here. Once you've done that, you want to go all the way back to the beginning of this right here and go ahead and delete the S. That's security, and some sites won't load it, so you want to make sure you get rid of that. Autoplay, go ahead and put autoplay as no, because most people don't like to, have it play right away or what have you. And the other thing is, you want to make it viewer, viewer friendly. People are going to be watching your video, so go ahead and put no on the audio, the autoplay. Show information. No, the information is right here where it says the Jack LaLanne Show episode 1. I don't like the way it's set up, so you go ahead and put no. You update with the preview, and now you want to see the information right up there. Modest branding, yes. I leave this alone. High quality, yes. Loop, no. That means that it's going to start over. Once it ends, it's going to start over and do the video over and over again. So you don't want that. Controls, no. Keyboard controls, no. Auto hide controls, yes. Theme, go ahead and leave that dark. You could also do light theme, but go ahead and leave it. Allow full screen, yes. And suggested videos, no. Those are the videos that you see at the end of the video that suggest you to watch other videos, and then go ahead and update that. You're not going to see any difference yet because you haven't changed anything really, except for when you're playing and you play it, see it. Go to styling options. Now in the styling options, you can come in here and you can change the color of the background. And we'll explain to you exactly what the coloring for the background is in just a sec. But I kind of like the green. Depending on the color of your font, you definitely, and we'll talk about that in just a sec. But depending on the color of the font that you're going to use, you don't want it too light if you're going to use white. You'd rather it be dark. So let's go ahead and move that down to around the about the 8.5, right around there. That's a pretty good color right there. Here you can put Jack LaLanne. And then when you update it, this is what I was talking about right here. You'll see the highlight, the thing right there, Jacqueline, show episode 1. You could do, you could put that, and then you could change the font size. Now, I don't like it to be 12. I like it to be bigger. The font, the font for the title, you can change that as well. I like Helvetica, so we'll use Helvetica. Background border, you can choose to have no border, or you can choose to have a border, which is the white little section around it that you see. Now, for the border, you could change it to be the exact same color as the heading background, which is right there. Now, if you update it, you'll see that the whole background is green. And then the description, this is my favorite fitness expert, and a exclamation mark, and then you can update that, and you'll notice this is my favorite fitness expert shows up on the bottom. That's the description. Now, what you can also do while you're doing this is you can actually create a font color as well on either one of these. You can do the title font to be a different color, like a blue, update, and you changed it to be that color. So you could change, whatever you want. You could change this to be a purple, update. I mean, generally you don't want more than 2 colors though, because, if your site has more than 2 colors, it shows an unprofessionalism, so you definitely want to make sure they're both the same. But let's go ahead and bring that, or actually, back to white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Update. And now it's white. You can also do black. So if you like the black one, white is F 6 times. Black is 0 6 times. And that's HTML code, so just so you know. So you can do black, you can do white, you can do whatever you want. White though kind of pops out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. White kind of pops out with that green. So that's what you want to do. Now that's how you design this. Now we're going to embed it into a page. So go here. You can either Control A, which is select all, or you can right click and click select all. You can either go Control C, which is copy, or you can right click and copy. It's either one. Either way. And then you go to pages, and let's create a page for this. Alright, so when you go here, you go add new page. And then you could type in, whatever you want, Jacqueline Lane video. In here, you definitely want to do text. So go ahead and click the text and control. You can either Control V, or you can click like that and right click and click on paste. So it's either one. When you go visual, you'll see it right here. You notice it pops up right there, and you can publish this. Now the page shows up right here where it says Jacqueline Lane video. Click Jacqueline Lane video. When you click Jacqueline Lane video, you'll see the video pops up, and you'll notice the green. That's why we do green, because it kind of blends in with the whole site. It's the brand, so you do green. But you can do whatever color you want. You can make it. You can change it. You can. This is how you brand your own YouTube URL. You brand it. You make it your own, and that's the plugin, YourTube Player, and that's all you have to do. That's as simple as that. You want to go back and make a new video? Go ahead and go back, make a new video, all that stuff. So that's all you have to do to make YourTube Player work. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is James Henry. You have a wonderful